Rolled ice cream with a banana split blizzard. You start by pouring the mix, or in this case a half-melted blizzard, onto the frozen surface. The temperature is negative 25 degrees, which is actually the same as our blast freezers that we use to make cakes at Dairy Queen. It starts freezing right away, so you have to chop, scrape until you can form it into a little ball. I was actually shocked at how difficult this part was. Then you kind of just smack it down and start smoothing it out. Danny had to help me with this part so it was even. Once it's evenly spread out, you switch your scraper to a longer one to roll it up. It didn't roll that nicely because it's already been frozen into soft serve once, so there's some air in it, but not bad for my first time. I definitely wouldn't want to do this for a whole shift though, because my arms hurt after just one. Once you have your rolls, you just take the tongs and carefully pick them up because they're super delicate and place them into your cup. The presentation of mine wasn't that great, but it still tasted good, so that's really all that matters.